Hi guys, good morning, or for us it's afternoon. Today we're gonna do a big canvas and it's 60 by 80 centimeters. I saw someone on my workshop do this color combination and it turned out gorgeous. It's a bit earthy, so she used azure yellow, yellowish green, copper and phthalo blue. But this phthalo blue is from Winsor & Newton and it's more kind of turquoise. So I'm gonna try that myself, and I wanna say a special thanks to everyone who is donating to my PayPal for my channel, because it really helps. Thank you guys to buy some paints and canvases and keep us going. So let's start tackle this big one. Okay, I'm gonna torch this. See if all sides are covered. Okay, then I'm starting to pour with this azure yellow, greenish yellow, phthalo blue, and copper. This looks like a weird color combination, but for her it worked, so. I'm gonna, where am I gonna blow it out? I think from the middle this time. Not a lot of things are happening. I'd like to have cells. I'm gonna pour a little bit of white around the edges, because I feel like it's like a blob of color. Okay, let's first work on the sides a bit. Okay, yeah, I would like to have much more white in this. Let's see, I just wanna maybe blow this out first to over the edges. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use the blow dryer again. I normally never do that. Making it a bit more interesting. Uh-oh. Yeah, I think I will pour here some white over. Okay, I will take this off and then I'm done. So I'm sitting here enjoying all these gorgeous details in this painting. It really turned out like the earth. I think it's beautiful. All these cells and tints of green, yellow, blue. Yeah, I'm very happy. It's way more color than I normally use. So that's cool for once as well. Let me know what you think in the comments and hit that like button, notification bell, subscribe button, and I'll see you next video.